never, never, and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another.
June 16, Soweto Uprising, popularly known as Youth Day, is a day in which South Africans honor and pay tribute to the youth that was ambushed by the apartheid regime police in the streets of Soweto on the 16th of June in 1976. This day is about honoring the bravery of thousands and thousands of Soweto school children who fought, and some unfortunately even lost their lives in order to give us the freedom that we now have today. This year marks 44 years since the 1976 student uprising, and today I would like to share with you guys interesting facts about the June 16 Soweto Uprising. Fact number 1. The primary student leader of the Soweto Uprising was Teboho Tsietsi MacDonald Mashinini. He was born on the 27th of January in 1957 in central western Jabavu, eSoweto, Raicha, eMzansi, Africa, and he passed away in the summer of 1990. Fact number 2. Youth Day was initially known as Soweto Day amongst the members of ANC, which is the African National Congress. Fact number 3. June 16 was officially made a public holiday after Utatomkhulu uNelson Rolihlahla Mandela became president in 1994. Fact number 4. The new government chose to call it Youth Day in order to commemorate the role that was played by the youth in overcoming the previous regime. Fact number 5. While South Africans annually celebrate Youth Day on the 16th of June, we also have International Youth Day that is celebrated worldwide as recognized by the UN, and it falls on the 12th of August. Youth Day was supposed to be a 3-day peaceful event starting on Wednesday, the 16th of June in 1976, and it was supposed to end on Friday, the 18th of June. On the final day, which is June 18, the students were supposed to march to Orlando Stadium, but it turned into a massive attack on students by the police on the 16th of June. And thousands of students were injured and some students lost their lives. Fact number 7. The number of people who died is usually given as 176, with estimates of up to 700 people, and the number of wounded individuals was estimated to be over 1,000 people. Fact number 8. The students were singing Nkosi Sikelela i-Afrika during their protest. Nkosi Sikelela i-Afrika means God bless Africa, and this was a song banned by the apartheid regime. The students sang Nkosi Sikeleli Afrika and made their way through the streets of Soweto when the police randomly opened fire on them. Fact number 9. Students of various schools in Soweto began a protest in the street of Soweto against the Bantu education. The students in Soweto protested against the Afrikaans language being the primary language at schools in South Africa. The black schools were forced to teach only in Afrikaans and English, yet we have 11 official languages in this country. It is often argued that the policy of Bantu education was aimed to direct black or non-white youth to the unskilled labor market. Fact number 10. June 16 is one of the most tragic yet pivotal protests in all South Africa's history. And because of it, we now have the right to choose whichever other language we want to learn at school, whether be it isiXhosa, isiZulu, isiTswana, isiPedi, isiVenda, amongst many other languages, and it is never by force. June 16 is a holiday that we treasure till this day. Even though the students did not wish for a violent outbreak, this event gave them meaning because it showed that they treasured their education with the hope that it will lead them to a brighter future. June 16 means a lot to the youth of South Africa because it shows how we as young people can impact the world if we put our minds to it. I would like to conclude by stating that while you process the thought of June 16, Soweto Uprising, and the significance of the day, please make sure that you honor and celebrate those who fought injustice and ensured that no language was considered superior. Remember to look back, live now, and move forward. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you learned a thing or two about the history of South Africa with the focus on June 16, Soweto Uprising. I will see you guys on my next upload. Dinithanda nonke emakhaya.